The ROG Zephyr series has always been the forefront of gaming laptop innovation. This new chapter will begin with two new machines, the 2024 ROG Zephyrus G14 and G16. We are proud to introduce the first ever ROG Nebula display with an OLED panel. We have raised the resolution to an ultra-sharp 3K on Zephyrus G14 and 2.5K on the Zephyrus G16. When combined with up to 240Hz refresh rates and 0.2 millisecond response time, you will get crystal clear graphics no matter what game you play. We have made it thinner, more modern, and more equipped for the next generation of gaming, productivity, and creativity. These new chips feature built-in AI acceleration for all kinds of everyday tasks, from eye gaze correction in video chats to audio enhancements and more. AI tools like Copilot in Windows 11 can even give you a summary of your emails with minimal power usage. But these are gaming machines with dedicated GPUs, and these new designs take full advantage of what NVIDIA's latest chip have to offer, like dedicated AI acceleration for DLSS. These GPUs go beyond gaming too, as an excellent tool for designers and creators. Creative projects are easier and faster than ever, allowing you to skip long queues in the cloud and generate as many images as you want in just a few seconds. All the AI power is packed into our most portable gaming laptop ever, at 1.5 kilograms for the G14 and 1.85 kilograms for the G16. We made all this possible with new ultra-precise manufacturing techniques. The keyboard deck alone involve a 3 hours CNC milling process, polished to perfection. The chassis is 100% aluminum, which sports a glossy finish and 7 zones of built-in LEDs and 15 different animated patterns. Every inch of this machine feels incredibly sleek and refined, built to be the best of the best. We have enhanced the entire user experience. These new models have larger keycaps, as well as larger speakers that go right up to the edge of the chassis. The touchpad has also been expanded, with a smooth surface that's 16 by 10 aspect ratio to perfectly match the display for an ultra-precise movement. We were able to improve the 6 speakers on these new models. The new Zephyrus makes a clear statement of performance meets precision. For gamers that need it all, the 2024 Strix Scar stands ready. With the latest hardware, incredible cooling performance, and breathtaking displays,